Good morning. Good morning and good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining the stream. Hello. Nah, I just added that Rufus. Some people are like, can I copy your trades? And I'm like, sure, if you want to lose money. Probably supposed to have some legal disclaimer, but I think it would be kind of funny to get sued if someone's copying me. And in court, the screen says, copy me if you want to lose money. Even though it's not a proper legal disclaimer. It'd be funny. And I like things that are funny. Alright, no more messing around. If the system lines up to take a trade, I'm taking it. Because you can't be sad about your trading performance as long as you took trades according to your edge. An edge that I know I have. But not if I hesitate or get picky about which trades to take. If the system lines up, gotta take all of them. Otherwise, the distribution of wins and losses is not going to be correct. Makes sense? Alright. No news at 9:45, so we're going until 9:50. Maximum. Got my 3-minute bells on. And we're just waiting for the one moment. Maybe a few moments. Where my system lines up. Could happen once, 0 times, or 5 or more times. Or anything really, within reason. So, let's proudly hit our max daily loss as long as the trades are correct. Price action should have to change in order for a trade not to work, for how I trade. And that's it. Let's hit that loss. Ow. I think the mic picked that up. That was my hip. Hey, thank you, Deep Fried Cheetos. And Nanda. And all of you. What do I think of level 2 data? Is it worth it? It's not necessary, but if you want to trade depth of market, then you need it. There's nothing wrong with doing that, but just remember, price does not equal value when it comes to trading. The answer to profitability is not in more expensive market data or a paid indicator, expensive course, anything. Everything is just a tool with no edge on its own. So it's up to you to find which tools you like. Depth of market shows limit orders at different price levels, which can be canceled at any time. All right, looking a little volatile. Let's go down to 20 seconds. This would just be a 50-50 guess as to whether it goes up or down, so not taking a trade here. Patience. It's a little jumpy, so not really wanting to get in on some of that direction because we're popping back quite a few points there. Easily could have gotten stopped out before going to the profit target. Just a little chaotic. Now I'm just going to wait a sec. How's the evaluation going? Hey, John. I've been funded for like 2 months now. 2.5 months. But I'm not making money. Currently down on the account. But we're surviving. Slow and steady progress. Alright, we're really moving. And then not. And then moving again. Haven't seen a high probability loss to reverse yet, so we're doing fine. Wow. Not really sure if that was a good trade or not. What do you guys think? I guess it was, but I also don't like... I think for that... Sorry. I think maybe I could have been a little more aggressive on the entry because I don't really like targeting that far down. Because at least in my head, if we're coming all the way down here, then we're going lower. I'm not just going to bounce off of this. I don't know. It's a mediocre trade. Not exactly the super high probability loss I'm looking to reverse. It's probably confusing when I say that, so I'll stop saying that. It's not the high probability win I'm looking for. It's like a mediocre, okay trade. Yeah, I guess it was a good trade. I think I'm just being a little too picky. It was following the rules. Just expecting price to say where it's been in some consolidation like this. I think the only part I don't like is maybe the target was a little too big for these recent candles in particular. Look at that, we finally took a trade. All right, well, I forget who was asking me, but for changes of structure that I'm looking for to avoid the price action right after, this is a perfect example. We've got this like slow moving consolidation that sort of turned to directional, but not really. It's like directional consolidation. And really this one right here, I would not be in a trade after because it breaks the structure. And then this one especially, it's like, all right, let's wait a sec, see what's going to happen afterwards, and then just expect it to continue. The cat's trying to climb in my chair. Alright, I'm just gonna end it there. Finally took a trade again. So that's good. It's good. Sort of took a lot out of me. Mentally. So I'm gonna do the smart thing and stop. So my attention is extremely limited. If you're like me, you'll understand. If you're not like me, just trust me. It's a trading signal and the cat climbs the chair. You got that right. Alright, finally took a trade. Happy with that. A good trade. You know, maybe we'll fail this funded account, maybe not, but the attitude that I need to have in order to properly execute everything is basically being like, screw it, let's lose a funded account. As long as you take trades according to the system that you know works. Because essentially categorical trading, is quantification a word? If it's not, it should be. It is. Alright. My cat is smelling the microphone. What are you doing? Categorical trading is the quantification of my inherent ability to achieve non-randomness in price action, but with negative returns. That makes sense? So I'm using that to my advantage to reverse the high probability losses. And categorical trading is the way that I quantify price action in relation to that inherent ability. Turning a weakness into a strength. Not sure if that makes sense. There's a few big words in there. Alright, well, anyways. That's it for me. I will see you tomorrow. When does the market close? I guess we're going to be going on a break, aren't we? Alright. Market's open Friday, so I'll see you tomorrow. And then I won't see you until the 27th. Interesting. Alright. Thank you. Thank all of you for watching. No, that doesn't make sense. Thank you to everyone for watching. I appreciate all of you. Only once you're ready. Trade Day currently has the best drawdown to profit target ratio evaluations in the futures prop firm industry. If you use my code, I'd really appreciate that. Alright, take care, and I hope to see you tomorrow. When's a good time to get back to trading? I'm not sure what you mean, Emmanuel. Are you on a break right now? I mean, if you took a break, then you need to analyze the reasons why you took that break and see if you've achieved that goal. You know what I mean? Holiday season, yeah. Let me look. Yeah, so the market opens back up on Wednesday. So we just have Monday and Tuesday off. So it's up to you. I don't really know anything about if the market behavior gets weird right after Christmas or even tomorrow. I don't know. I'm sure there's some studies behind that. Hey, snow leopard. Yeah, isn't that a nice change of scenery? See some green numbers here. Don't get used to it though. Don't get used to it. Alright, yeah, it's a good thing I stopped. This is goofy. Goofy, Market's open on Tuesday? Is it? Futures might be open, but is the stock market open? Do I celebrate Christmas? Yeah, I guess so. I mean, yeah, I'm not religious or anything. Thank you, Elvis. You too. Yeah, I hope all of you have a great holiday season. Yeah, we'll talk about it more tomorrow. All right. Take care, everybody. I'm out of here. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you tomorrow. My cat's she's gonna break something. I gotta go. Ah, normal hours for stocks and futures. What am I looking at? Forex Factory says bank holiday for a ton of stuff. I guess that's just for other things. Cool. More trading. All right. Thank you, everybody. Take care.